Look what I just got in the mail. New frame day. Alright, so here it is. My Ragley Big L. The purple color on this frame is insane. I am loving this right now. That they even put a little R right there. This is my first official fully custom bike build from the frame up for me ever in my life, so I'm so excited right now. And this frame weighs like 5 pounds. It's super light. It's got a little bit of stuff on it from that cardboard. It's gonna have a 144. That might be a little heavy, but it will be a pike. The welds on this frame are just beautiful too. The welds, the paint job, everything looks really good on this. You're gonna have to press in a headset, put a bottom bracket in. I am so excited to ride and build this frame. It's gonna be a journey. This is the exact same frame basically as the big wig that they have, but it's aluminum, so